Hi, girlfriend. Guess what? You're on camera. Can you say, hi, America? Say, America. America. My name is May. You what? I see your pretty little face and his name that's bugging me. His name is Uncle Joshy. And and it smells like a poopy up here. Did you go to the potty last night in your diaper? I think you did. I think it smells like a patootie. Rat-a-patootie. Mwah. It smells. Let's see. Let's check. We're gonna check. We're gonna checky. Let's get a checky.
Going to sleep still.
Why would you ever want to do that? It's 9 o'clock. This little kid, it's like 9 o'clock and it's time to probably go to bed. I mean, it's probably time to wake up. Dude, did you pee in your big girl diaper last night? You did?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
You're not sure?
Uh-huh.
Well, guess what? Libbles, move your face. Your sister gets all the attention right now. Okay, May.
What are you doing?
May. May. Let's check and see if you didn't pee in your big girl diaper. Okay.
Ready?
Let's check.
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Is it? Did she poop?
No. Oh!
No, she didn't. You're a liar,
She
Libbles.
didn't poop.
Okay. Guess what? We're going to go to the mountains, at least Uncle Josh is, and we're going to go help your papa cut some freaking trees. Ow. Ow, there's a fan right there. Ow.
Your head down.
Ow, don't touch me. No, you're messing up my film. Anyways, I didn't feel very good. What idiot put a fan right there, those jerks. So anyways, we're going to go and cut some wood today. And do the typical swope thing up north. So this beats carpet quitting any day. Hey, who the... Oh, hi, Howlers. I forgot there's a number 4. Where? A number 4. A number 4. Did you poo in your panties too, like your sister? Where's your face? Look at her little piggies. Look at her little pitties. So, you know, Uncle Joshy went and spent $400 yesterday on clothes for these girls. Shh, don't tell anybody though. Hey. Oh, your breath stinks so bad. Say hi.
Off of me.
Hi, my name is Libbles. Oh wait, what is your name? What is your name? It's Wang Chung, huh?
Oh, I almost did the fan.
Wang Chung. Yeah, who put that ceiling fan there? Don't, Em. You're ruining my Emma, and you're ruining my video.
Yeah.
What idiot put that fan there on the
Oh wait, did you video that?
I was videoing when that fan hit me in the face.
Ow.
Hey.
Ow.
Well, that's over now. Nice idiot ruined my phone. Okay.
Olivia, got your glasses.